In order to customize the lock screen on a Nothing Phone 3, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Once you open Settings, we're gonna go to Customization. Over here, we're gonna swipe to the right in order to reveal the lock screen, and we can tap on the lock screen in order to start editing. The first thing that we have is the clock. We can swipe left and right in order to choose a different style. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. You can even add widgets to the lock screen, but we can tap on this field in order to start adding widgets. So let's say I'm just gonna choose essential space. Over here we have example options. I'm just gonna add this one over here. And in addition to that, you can even expand the widget area so that we can occupy more space for widgets, and therefore we will make the clock much smaller. At the bottom, we have shortcuts or buttons of the lock screen. We can tap on them in order to choose what should be assigned to these buttons. You can even disable, I believe, we can disable these buttons by just selecting none at the bottom of the screen. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done, you can just simply go back, and we have customized our lock screen. In case a widget is not working, you might need to grant some permissions, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.